Good morning. I'm from Golden Splash Painting Services. My name is Mr. Green. I am at Steel Works. I am demonstrating about Duron Paint, explaining everything about Duron Paint, how it works, how it goes on, how to prepare before you paint. So right now I have 3 walls here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to prepare the wall. You got to sand first, you got to prep and everything. I have my sandpaper here. I just use 120. 120 is my the sand this. I'm going to sand the wall first before you do anything else. The walls feel a bit smooth. Then I can do some caulking. But here I have my caulk gun. So I'm going to caulk the 2 sides, this side and this side, because it's all open. After caulking, I'm going to sand again. Make sure that my walls are very smooth and prepare and get ready for paint. Here I'm using my Impressions Plus, but Duron's one which is one of my favorite. Okay, this is 1 quart of the Duron Impression Plus. You look like it got 3 quarts on it. There's only 1. You look like it got 3. It's a very efficient paint. I love it. I always just use it. And most of all about it, it's more simple. More simple. You could paint today, and by this evening you could sleep in the same room. Or you could walk in the same room. That's how good it is. From bottom to top. Duron Paints, Steel Works for having me here today. Demonstrating the colors of the paint, what they do, and everything. Long lasting, efficient. All the colors here, the 3 colors here. It's good paint. So I want to thank Steel Works again for having me here. demonstrating what's. Have all the paints there, all the brushes, rollers, tape, caulk gun. You can get them here at Barbados Steel Works. So you can come, you can get your paints from here at Barbados Steel Works. Price is reasonable and it's great. I always try it. I love it.